In this video, I will show you how to install Android apps on Windows 11 PC. So, as you see right here, I'm currently running Windows 11. So, on your Windows 11, you can see that you can't actually install Android apps. You can only view the Google Play website. So, what we can do is you can have the and open in here a new tab and search in here for BlueStacks. So BlueStacks is an Android emulator that allows you to play Android games or any other Android application on your PC, Mac, or they can also do this into the cloud. So you can either download it or do it into the cloud of BlueStacks. So doing this can actually help you achieve or help you download these apps right here. Like for example, you can click onto the search and search in here for a specific application. So for example, right here, let's search in here for IPTV. Click on it. And then just click onto this run option and it will download BlueStacks. You can just head over and install it and you should be able to use this particular APK or Android app on your Windows. So that's how you install Android apps on Windows 11 PC. Hope we helped.